An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Or so the saying goes. Healthcare professionals know that fruit is a highly nutritious, delicious, and convenient addition to any diet. With more than 2,000 varieties of fruit available, you may wonder which ones you should pick. Each type of fruit brings its own unique set of nutrients and benefits to the table. The key is to eat fruits of various colors, as each color provides a different set of healthy nutrients. Here are the top 25 healthiest fruits to enjoy on a regular basis. 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is 92% water, making it a great choice for hydration. Your food provides about 20% of your fluid intake, and eating water-packed snacks like watermelon can help you avoid subtle headaches spurring dehydration. 2. Apples. An apple a day may in fact keep your cardiologist away. Evidence has shown that frequent apple consumption may reduce total cholesterol, which can help reduce your risk of heart disease. 3. Mangoes. Known as the king of fruits, mangoes are an excellent source of potassium, folate, fiber, and vitamins A, C, B6, E, and K. They're also rich in numerous plant polyphenols that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 4. Kiwis. In addition to the vitamin C, potassium and antioxidants you'll get from kiwi, the combination of folate, magnesium and B vitamins also found in this fruit can help you chill out. 5. Cherries. Feeling stressed? Grab a handful of cherries. In addition to their multitude of antioxidant benefits, these little stone fruits contain quercetin, a type of antioxidant linked to promoting feelings of calmness. 6. Bananas. Rich in soluble fiber, bananas are an easy grab-and-go snack that can help lower cholesterol. For an extra heart-healthy boost, slice bananas on top of morning oats with a tablespoon of chia seeds and walnuts. It's a hearty, energy-packed breakfast loaded with fiber, vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, vitamin C and manganese. 7. Oranges. You already knew that oranges came packed with vitamin C. But get this. Citrus fruits have been shown to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidative and anti-cancer properties. Oranges are wonderful on their own, sliced into a salad, or used in cooking or baking. 8. Grapes. Grapes contain polyphenolic compounds with antioxidant properties, which may help reduce cellular damage. Adding grapes, about 1 to 2 cups per day, to your diet can help to protect your bodice tissues and decrease markers of inflammation. 9. Guava. Give your immune system a boost with guava. They're rich in vitamin C, potassium and fiber, and have a fair amount of folate. With a tropical tang, guavas can be used to make a tasty jam, or turned into a syrup or glaze to use in a host of recipes. 10. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is high in potassium, vitamin C and folate. The flavonoids found in melon have anti-inflammatory, blood sugar stabilizing, and immune-boosting properties. Plus, water-filled cantaloupe offers a hydration boost. You can make a cool salad with cantaloupe and cucumber, with granola sprinkled on top for a bit of crunch. 11. Strawberries. Strawberries are a great source of antioxidants, especially vitamin C. Just 1 cup of halved strawberries packs about 150% of your daily value. The same serving also contains about 80 calories and up to 9 grams of fiber. A combo that helps you enjoy maximum flavor and fullness for a minimal number of calories. Use their sweetness to create wonderful desserts. 12. Grapefruit. Like other citrus, grapefruit packs tons of vitamin C. Research has shown that consuming grapefruit improves blood pressure and may help to lower cholesterol levels. Make it easy to get those citrusy sections with a grapefruit knife and add them to salad, yogurt, granola or oatmeal. 13. Blackberries. Blackberries provide nature's perfect snack. They're deliciously sweet, satisfying and nutrient-packed. 1 cup can provide about half of the vitamin C you need each day. Plus, they're a good source of both vitamin K and manganese. Our favorite way to eat any type of berries? Swap them for jam and peanut butter and jelly to add extra fiber, more antioxidants and less sugar. 14. Avocados. Avocado is a unique fruit. Yep, it's a fruit. Because of its low sugar content, it also provides heart-healthy fatty acids and magnesium, a key mineral linked to neurological and muscular function. You know all about avocado toast. But have you tried adding avocado to your smoothies? 15. Plums. Plums have been shown to have anti-inflammatory benefits that may help to boost cognition. Choose dried prunes for even more calcium and magnesium, which have been linked to decreasing your risk of osteoporosis. Or when you're grilling chicken or a steak, throw on some halved fresh plums. The heat intensifies their sweetness. 16. Blueberries. Since they're loaded with polyphenolic compounds, eating more blueberries can protect your heart by benefiting blood vessels and deterring harmful plaque or damage. 17. Lemons. Lemons are high in vitamin C, folate, potassium and flavonoids. Flavonoids have been linked to reducing your risk of cognitive decline by enhancing circulation and helping to protect brain cells from damage. Lemons add brightness to so many dishes, from savory to sweet. 18. Raspberries. Raspberries are one of the highest fiber fruits, with 1 cup containing 8 grams. As a nutrient-packed choice, raspberries provide antioxidants and blood sugar stabilizing benefits, especially when combined with a source of protein. Add them to your breakfast. Whether that's oatmeal, a smoothie or yogurt, it will help boost your energy levels and keep you satisfied until lunchtime. 19. Pears. Besides vitamin C and fiber, 25% of your daily value, a single juicy pear will also help keep you hydrated. Pears are wonderful grilled as a side dish to whatever protein main dish you're barbecuing. 20. Pomegranate. 1 cup of these petite treats packs up to 7 grams of filling fiber and 10% of the potassium you should get per day. They're also a decent source of both vitamin C and vitamin K. Use them in savory entrees or sprinkle into salads for a hint of sweetness. The arils, or seeds, have a bit of a crunch, making them a nice addition to yogurt as well. 21. Limes. Limes have some nice health benefits. They're loaded with vitamin C and are a decent source of calcium and iron. They're great in a margarita, of course, and are terrific in Thai-inspired recipes, like this seared coconut lime chicken dish. A good tool to have on hand to make the most of all citrus fruit is a well-made zester. 22. Honeydew melons. Sweet honeydews are another fruit that pack a nice punch of vitamin C. It provides over 50% of your daily value. They'll also give you a burst of potassium and fiber. Honeydew is a nice addition to a cool summery soup, like one made with cucumbers and lime juice. 23. Pineapple. This tropical fruit is simply loaded with vitamin C and is an excellent source of manganese, a mineral that helps your brain and nervous system function. Pineapple is one of the best fruits to grill, whether it's for a main meal side dish or as the base for an excellent dessert. 24. Figs. Figs are a good source of fiber. They're best eaten in moderation because they're fairly high in sugar. They're an elegant addition to a cheese plate, and are versatile in recipes, wonderful in a poultry dish, as an appetizer or a dessert. 25. Breadfruit. Another great source of vitamin C. Breadfruit also has a fair amount of the minerals potassium and magnesium. It's a particularly interesting fruit, because when it's unripe it can be cooked like a potato, but when it's ripe it can be used in a dessert. Another thing that's unusual about breadfruit, it's a terrific source of protein.